Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first we should launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Here click on the settings and then tap to the voice section. After that tap to the voice match. And now just to activate the Hey or OK Google feature, click once on the switcher, then tap here to next, read this description and click yes I agree. After that just say OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. No, just OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. Okay, so then just click here to finish. And now we can see that the OK Google feature is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.